each week.
Yeah.
Eva solved the equation below to find how much feed she needs for 4 weeks.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
did you finish page 81?
No, we didn't.
Page 82.
Teacher, but
Okay.
82. Yes, let's go on. Eva says she needs 344 pounds of feed. Is her answer reasonable or not? Let's check. Okay. Felix, do you know the normal way to multiply two numbers like this one? 86 times 4. Can we multiply it?
yes.
What is 4 times 6 first? 4 times 6. Four times 6, that is Adam, what is 4 times 6?
What?
4 multiplied by 6.
4 multiplied by 6.
Don't ask Sammy.
Yeah.
No.
Sammy is like Sammy, it's like Google is asking.
Usama, what is 4 times 6?
Mr. 24?
24.
What?
Dennis, you understand? That is
Teacher, you
4
cannot find.
times 6 is 24. So write 4 and carry up 2 on the top of 8.
Mister, is 4 divided by 86, we're gonna estimate it or no?
No, just do the normal way first, then estimate it.
Okay, this is 24 and I know. Can I answer number 4?
What is 4 times 8 next?
4 times 8, 4, 6, 4, 8, 12, 12.
Why are you closing your eyes? Who's closing your eyes?
16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Mr.
32, and then plus 2 on the top. 34, okay? Okay. Eva says she needs 344 pounds of feed. Is her answer reasonable?
Yes. Yes.
So we can say yes.
Now I want to answer.
Okay, estimate. Then we need to estimate it. If I ask you in the quest to estimate, you need to estimate. Can you estimate 86 first?
86 is nearest to 100, so we're going to put 100 down, and then 4 behind the 1 for 100. It's gonna be 400.
400. Look, 344 is not far from 400.
Teacher, I don't understand this is single.
Yes, Osama?
I understand because he was.
You need more explanation?
No, he was talking very fast because he didn't listen.
Okay. Can you write the answer?
I write it in.
So in the quiz, if I ask you to estimate, you need to estimate. If I ask you to only find the product without estimation, you need to do the normal way. Omar, concentrate. Omar.
Yeah.
Concentrate. Yazan Al-Ghamdi, you are late. Harith, Omar, Makki, Rayyan, Abdurrahman.
Yes, I'm concentrating.
Muhammad Uday. Concentrate, please.
Can I answer?
You can answer, but after listening to this video, the same lesson.
Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover estimation. And when we estimate, we find an approximate or close value to the exact answer. Estimation is a very important skill that helps us determine a reasonable value to a problem. Estimation is critical in both math class and the real world, whether you are determining if an answer is in a reasonable range, estimating the total cost of items as you're shopping in a store, estimating the cost of a discounted item, or even estimating the time of arrival if you're on a trip. Estimation is used all the time in a wide variety of situations. In this specific video, I'm going to cover how to estimate whole number products, and we have 4 examples that we're going to go through together in order to get this down. So let's jump into number 1, where we have 62 times 8. And the first thing I want to do, I'm going to use front-end estimation to round 62. And front-end estimation is rounding to the greatest place-valued digit, so the digit furthest to the left. In the case of 62, it's going to be the tens place. So 62 is going to round to 60. Now 8 is a 1-digit number, so I'm going to keep it as is. 60 times 8 is going to give us our estimate. So 6 times 8 is 48. And let's place our 0 back on the end there in order to push everything to the correct place value and give us the correct answer. So 62 times 8 is approximately 480. So this squiggly equal sign here, that means an approximate value or about. The actual answer, the actual exact answer to number 1 is 496. So you can see that our estimate was close to the exact answer. So on to number 2, where we have a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number, 29 times 13. And we're actually going to use a couple of different estimating strategies here, starting with front-end estimation, where we round to the greatest place value digit, the digit furthest to the left.
Sammy, are you playing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut marks from your marks.
Teacher, me?
Oh, Sammy and Adam.
Now, front-end estimation is usually the simplest and easiest to use, but at times it doesn't give you the best estimate. So what we can do here, we'll round both of these to the tens place, and we get 30 times 10, which gives us an estimate of 300.
Okay, so in question number 1, we have here 62 times 8. Only we can round one factor, which is 62, to the nearest digit. Place 62, check 2. 2 is weak number, weak, so we can't put anything to 6. Just write it again as itself and change 2 to be 0. Then we have 60 times 8. In question 2, we can round 29 and 13, or you can round only one of them. But now it's better to round both of them. So 29 after rounding will be 30, 13 after rounding will be 10. Uday, if you want to round question 3. Uday. Muhammad?
Yes.
Round 59. We need to round 59. Stop at 5 and ask 9. Are you strong or weak?
Weak.
9 is weak.
Strong. 9 is weak? Yep.
We say this is strong. So what should we do if we find that we have a strong number like 9? Add 1 to 5. Add 1 to 5. It will be 6, and this 9 will be 0. Okay?
Why do we need to add 1?
Every time we need to add 1.
Like every answer?
Yeah, every answer.
Sure.
Every answer you need to write what?
Even if, teacher, even if
Muhammad, you hear me?
Let's do 7.
Yeah, I can hear
Do the same
you.
with 46 quickly. Stop at 4 and ask 6, are you strong or weak?
He's
The
weak.
strong
Haha,
numbers,
no,
5,
strong.
7, 8, 9. 6 from the strong numbers. So we need to add 4 to 1. Or 1 to 4, it will be 5, and 6 will be 0. Now we have 60 times 50. What's 60 times 50, Muhammad?
2,000.
How many zeros do we have
2,000.
here? How many zeros do we have here?
2.
2 zeros, drop them in the answer, then multiply 6 by 5. What is 6 times 5? 30. So the answer is 3,000. Listen.
Teacher, I answer anything.
Yes, Osama, you'll answer the next one.
Which would be fine. That's an estimate you can use. Now we're going to get a closer or better estimate, because the closer you round to the original problem, the better your estimate is going to be. 29, I'm going to round to 30 again. But 13, I'm going to keep the same, because I know what 3 times 13 is, and that's going to give us 39, and I can place that 0 back on to give us an estimate, 377. So you can see that our second 3,000. The exact
Osama, can you do number 4? Osama,
Yes.
do number 4 quickly.
Number 4.
354 times 19.
Okay. It's okay.
How can we round 354?
Okay, so 1 times 1 divided with 3 equals 3. Okay, what about 9? 3 by 5.
Look, Osama, look, we need to put circle on this one first and check the previous digit, 5. Is it strong or weak?
54. It's gonna be 54.
Forget about 4, just ask 5. Are you strong or weak?
Are you strong or weak? I'm strong.
I'm strong. So add 1, 2, 3. It will be
1.
4. And 5 will be 0, 4 will be 0 as well. Okay? Times. What about 19? Put a circle on 1. Check 9. Is it strong or weak?
Very strong.
So stronger too. So we need to add 1 to 1. It will be 2, and this line will be 0. Now, what is 400 times 20?
100. 4 times 20.
400 times 20. We have here 2 zeros and 1 0, so we have 3 zeros. And then what is 4 times 2?
4 times 2.
Okay, boys, the time is out, but don't forget that we have today extra math class. Please,
8.
it will be very, very nice for you.
8.
Thank you very much.
It's 8.
Again, goodbye.
Mr. Wait.